What's up guys, my name's Micah. So today I got a very exciting package in the mail, and as you might expect, it is an iPhone. So I'm going to unbox it today and we're going to talk about everything on it. This isn't going to be a review, but it will be first impressions. So let's open the box. This is the outside packaging that it came in. Would you look at that? Very exciting. Okay, so just some packaging information from FedEx. So here we have that, and it's always so satisfying. My favorite part of opening an iPhone. That, or maybe it's the sticker or the thing covering the screen. Oh, would you look at that? It's beautiful. Cool. So, there it is in black titanium. That's gorgeous. Let me see. A lot of people were saying it gets fingerprints super easily, but I'm not really seeing that. I mean, it kind of shows, but then it's there. So with the iPhone 15 series, they do now have, finally, they have USB-C. So with USB-C, now we have faster file transfer speeds. Unfortunately, not faster charging speeds, but you know, I can't really complain. At least it's USB-C now. So it'll work with something like that. The 20-watt power adapter. This is from an iPad Pro. So, but yeah, it's exciting. Let's get this. Let's look at the paperwork. So, no longer a physical SIM. You get an Apple sticker. It's very exciting. Yeah, so that's pretty much the unboxing of it. I really love that color. That's beautiful. Yeah. Well, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.